Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, online privacy. This is something I'm super passionate about, and for good reason. In this digital age, our lives are practically plastered across the internet. Think about it, every website you visit, every app you use, every purchase you make online, it all leaves a digital footprint. And let's be real, nobody wants their personal information floating around in the vast abyss of the internet, right? With just a few easy hacks, you can significantly boost your online security. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of online security passwords. We all know we need them, but are you using them right? Here's the deal. A weak password is like leaving your front door wide open with a sign that says, "Come on in, thieves, you're practically begging to get hacked." We're talking about creating passwords that are long, complex, and unique. Think beyond your dog's name and birthday. I'm talking a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The whole 9 yards. I know. Remembering a million different complicated passwords sounds like a recipe for disaster. That's where password managers come in. These lifesavers store all your passwords securely in an encrypted vault, so you only need to remember one master password. Trust me, using a password manager is a game changer. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your online accounts. So, you've got your super strong passwords locked and loaded in your password manager. Great. Now, let's add an extra layer of protection with two-factor authentication. Think of it as a security guard for your security guard. Even if someone gets their hands on your password, they still can't get into your account without that second factor. Here's how it works. When you enable two-factor authentication, you'll typically be asked to enter a unique code that's sent to your phone or email address. This code acts as a second key to your account, making it way harder for hackers to break in. Most online services offer two-factor authentication these days, so there's no excuse not to use it. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and it could save you a whole lot of trouble down the line. Ever feel like you're being watched online? Well, you might be. Every time you connect to the internet, your internet service provider can see everything you're doing. And I mean everything. They know what websites you visit, what you search for, and even what videos you watch. That's where VPNs come in. A VPN, or virtual private network, is like a secret tunnel for your internet traffic. It encrypts your data and routes it through a secure server, making it virtually impossible for anyone to snoop on your online activity. Using a VPN is especially important when you're connected to public Wi-Fi, which is notoriously insecure. Think about all the times you've connected to Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel. Without a VPN, your data is basically up for grabs. I know. Software updates can be annoying. They always seem to pop up at the worst possible time. But trust me, keeping your software up to date is crucial for your online security. Those updates aren't just about adding new features or making things look prettier. They often include important security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. Think of it like patching a hole in your fence before someone can sneak through it. So next time you see that notification to update your operating system, browser, or apps, don't ignore it. Take a few minutes to install the updates and keep your devices protected. We've all been there. You're out and about, your phone's battery is dying, and you desperately need to connect to the internet. Public Wi-Fi seems like the perfect solution, right? Well, not so fast. While public Wi-Fi is undeniably convenient, it's also a hotbed for hackers. Think about it. Anyone can access a public Wi-Fi network. You don't know who's connected, what their intentions are, or if they're snooping on your data. It's like leaving your front door unlocked in a busy city. You're just asking for trouble. If you absolutely have to use public Wi-Fi, avoid accessing sensitive information like your bank accounts or social media profiles. And if you're really serious about security, use a VPN to encrypt your traffic and protect your data. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on staying safe online. See you in the next video.